Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystle here with the Harris Teeter haul, guys. Went to Harris Teeter today. I found some instant savings and some Ibotta rebates, and I've got to share it with my lovely people. All right, lovely people, but first, let's do a shout out. We must shout out Sisters Saving You Cents, guys. I watched their video today of Harris Teeter deals, and that's how I realized some of the great deals that they have at Harris Teeter this week, guys. So after you watch this video, make sure you go check out Sisters Saving You Cents, all right? And tell them Coupon and Crystle sent you. All right, so the first deal I did, guys, was on the Birch Benders protein waffles, all right? They also have a keto for some of you guys. Now, this product is on sale 2 for $4 this week at Harris Teeter. I only purchased one, so it was $2. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $2 in store, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the Birch Benders waffles only $1. All right, guys, so the next deal I did was on the Gorton's Shrimp Scampi. Now, in my Harris Teeter, the Shrimp Scampi was priced buy one, get one free. $8.99. Kind of pricey, but in my Harris Teeter, when you purchase one of the buy one get one free, it brings up at half price for $4.49. I had to pay $4.49 in store because I did not have a coupon. However, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.49 for the Shrimp Scampi. Gonna mix this with some noodles, and that's a meal. Next deal I did, guys, was on the DiGiorno pizzas. They are on sale 2 for $9, which would be $4.50 each. However, they're on eVic for $3.77. The limit is 4. So I decided to get 2. Now there is a Ibotta rebate. Now my Ibotta rebate was only 50 cents. So after the 50 cents Ibotta rebate, it will be $3.27 per pizza. And also there is a 10-cent any rebate for a frozen entree that did Ibotta rebate that did attach to the DiGiorno pizza. All right, guys, the next deal I did was on the Pick's Sweet Farms of frozen vegetables, okay? They're on sale 3 for $5, which is $1.67 each. I purchased 2 bags, used 2 coupons from the 110 Smart Source. Those are 75-cent coupons. They should have doubled. I read the coupon. It didn't say anywhere on the coupon that I could see that it would not double. So the gentleman did double the coupon because it didn't double on its own. Now, when you do read the coupon, the fine print does say do not combine the coupon. So perhaps, maybe if I didn't pay for them together, I don't know. But at any rate, after the coupon of $1.50 coming off for each bag, drops it to only 17 cents for a bag of vegetables. I will be going tomorrow and give me some more. The next deal I did was on the Frito-Lay snacks, all right? There was a $2 off of 2 Pilly that was attached to the scoops. These were priced 2 for $9. So after the $2 coupon, they were 2 for $7. Great deal for me. I need these for Sunday. Next deal, guys, was on the Quaker Chewy Dips. All right, these were $2.99. Buy one and get one free. I used a $1 coupon off of 2 from coupons.com, dropping it to $1.99 in store for a little under $1 a box. That's good because I like these. They're tasty, the chocolate chip. Next thing I got was the Sticky Fingers barbecue sauce. This was actually on sale, guys. They were buy one, get one free, $3.19. So one is $1.59. There is a 75-cent coupon that doubled, taking off $1.50, making it only be 9 cents. Great deal. Now, the next thing I got, guys, was this little ranch dip pack. These were on sale 4 for $5, which would be $1.25. There was a 50-cent coupon in the Harris Teeter app that I felt should attach according to the way the coupon was worded, okay? However, it did not come off. The gentleman said he took it off of me, but I don't think he did. Okay, so if you decide to do this deal, do it with caution, but I needed this dip for a chicken dish. Next deal, the U by Kotex tampons, guys, were $4.29. Buy one, get one free, all right? So use that $3 off of 2 coupon, drop the cost to $1.29 for the 2 boxes. That is a great deal. Next deal I did was on the U by Kotex liners, guys. These were the same thing, $4.29. Buy one, get one free. Use the $3 coupon. Final cost, $1.29 for the 2. Great deal. Next deal, guys, was on the Ajax dishwashing liquid, priced $1.79 in my Harris Teeter. There was a 50-cent coupon that was in this past Sunday's inserts that doubled to $1, making the final cost 79 cents for the Ajax. Great deal. Next deal I did, guys, was on the Campbell's Slow Kettle Soup. This was on sale, 2 for $4, so one was $2. There was actually no coupon that I have, so I had to pay $2 in store, but there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.25 for the French onion slow kettle soup that I will be eating for lunch at some point at work next week. All right, guys, so this is the instant savings deal. There is an instant savings deal going on at Harris Teeter, guys, with select Heinz and Kraft products that if you purchase $10 worth, you're gonna get a $2 instant savings. So let me show you what I got. Philadelphia brand cream cheese. It is on sale, 3 for $5, which is $1.67 each. So I got 3 of these, or actually I got 4 of these, okay? So these are $5 and this one is $1.67. Now, there is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, limit of 5. So I can get 50 cents back on each one of these. That's better than Walmart, guys, because remember when I did this rebate at Walmart, it was $1.96. 50 cent back, it was $1.46. This is a better deal. This is gonna be $1.17. That's a wonderful deal for Philadelphia brand cream cheese. I need this for dishes and dips. So yeah, so I got this. So I'm still not at $10 at this point. So I decided to do the Oscar Mayer wieners. The Oscar Mayer wieners this week at Harris Teeter are on sale. $3.99. Buy one, get one free. So one pack is going to be $1.99. I've got 2 packs because there is 50 cents Ibotta rebates coming back on this. Everything total up together was $10.65 for the 4 Philadelphia brand cream cheeses and the 2 hot dogs. Now, coming back, I got my $2 instant savings off, plus I got my Ibotta rebates coming back to me. $2 instant savings, $3 in rebates, for a final cost of $5.65 for 4 packs of cream cheese and 2 packs of hot dogs. I think that's an amazing deal, guys. I'm gonna show you guys some more deals that I did not get, but I thought you guys might be interested in.
Vaseline lotion is on sale for $3.49. Use a $2 coupon, makes the final cost $1.49.
Now, there is also Prego. Prego is not on sale, but it's $2.39. I did have, I believe, a 75-cent coupon that I must have printed from coupons.com that possibly could double, taking off $1.50, which would make the final cost 89 cents for the Prego spaghetti sauce, in case you guys needed that. I thought that was a good deal.
The Always were on sale for $2.49. There is a $1 clip to app coupon, making the final cost $1.49.
You guys decide to do this deal, please make sure that you upload your receipt to Fetch, because Fetch gave me back 4,152 points. I got 4,000 back for the U by Kotex, which made the Kotex products be absolutely free because I only paid $1.29 for 2. Okay, so that was a great money maker right there. And I got a few points back for the chips. Let's take a look at the receipt.
Okay, so here's my receipt with all of my products. And I could not find the Hidden Valley Ranch dip. So I think what he did, he must have did the price override for it. It just made it be 50 cents, which I'm okay with that. You can see all of my coupons coming off. So right here is the total of $39.13. I subtracted the tax because you know tax may vary, making the cost be $37.77. Now there's $5.60 coming back from Ibotta. That dropped it to $32.17. I got back 4,152 points from Fetch Rewards. That I estimate to be $4.15, dropping the cost to $28.02 for all the products that I got.
This is a great example, guys, of going to do rebates at different places other than Walmart, because sometimes, just sometimes, it's cheaper to go somewhere else. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know in the comments below of the video if this video was helpful for you. Give Coupon and Crystle a thumbs up. And remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.